Let's go. You and me. I can help you. Oh, well, thanks, Big Ugly Hand.
Okay, these are pages 68 and 69 in the Let's Go 3 workbook, and we're going to talk on these pages about past tense actions. So we have a whole bunch of past tense actions over here, present tense actions, and these actions in your student book looked like this.
Eat breakfast. Do homework. Watch TV. Talk on the phone. Play a video game. Ride a bike.
Great. So what we want to do is take these actions and turn them into past tense actions. So to do that, we have to change the action word. So in eat breakfast, the action word, or the word I can do, is eat. I can eat things. Eat breakfast, eat lunch, eat dinner, eat a hamburger, eat pasta. So we can change eat to ate. So we're going to go ahead and find all of the action words first. Talk on the telephone, the action is talk. Play a video game, the action is play. Do homework, the action is do. Watch TV, the action is watch. Ride a bike, the action is ride. And all of these words change in the past tense to new words. And if I put them into our pictures again, then it would look like this.
Ate breakfast. Did homework. Watched TV. Talked on the phone. Played a video game. Rode a bike.
Okay, so let's just write them out. Eat breakfast becomes ate breakfast. I ate breakfast yesterday. I ate eggs and bacon. I ate rice too. Talk on the telephone becomes talked on the telephone. I talked on the telephone yesterday. I talked to my grandmother. We talked for a long time. Play a video game is going to change to played with an ED. I played a video game yesterday. I played a Super Mario video game yesterday. I played it with my brother. Played. Do homework is going to change to did. I did homework yesterday. I did English homework. I did my workbook with Big Ugly Hand. Watch TV will change to watched, but still ED on the end. I watched TV yesterday. I watched a movie with my mom. We watched it on the sofa. Watched. And ride a bike will change to rode. Rode a bike. I rode a bike yesterday. I rode it in a park. I rode it with my friend. Okay, there we go. Part A is done. We changed all of these present tense actions to past tense actions. Good job. Okay, this is part B, and it says connect and write. So we're going to draw a line from the picture down to the sentence and just make a sentence here. And we're going to answer this question. This question says, what did you do yesterday? So there's an important word here, did. And did means past tense. Also, yesterday means past tense. So I know I'm not going to be able to say I ate, I eat. I'm going to have to say I ate. I can't say I play. I'll have to say I played. We will have to use the past tense that we just made in part A. In your student books, this question and answer pattern looked like this. And all of the past tense actions looked like this. Okay, let's do some connecting and writing. Here's the first boy, down to here, and he's remembering yesterday, and he did this, TV. So he's gonna say, I watched TV. Next one, this girl. Yep. And she's remembering this. This was yesterday. And she did this. So she can say, I rode a bike. And remember, rode is the past tense for ride. Next one, this girl. She has paper and a pencil, so I think this is the homework one. Let's connect her up here. So yesterday, she can say, what should we say? I do homework or I did homework? Okay, this is past tense, so we're going to say did. I did homework. Last one, this girl here. She has a squiggly line. Squiggle, 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 squiggle. And she has a video game. So I think she would say, well, what do you think? I play a video game or I played a video game? Played. 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 A video game. Period. Part B is done. Okay, this is part C and it just says write. And we're gonna read all of these yes/no questions and then just write the answers here. In your student book, the questions looked like this. And as you can see, when we have a question with did first, it's just like any other yes/no question. So did he, she, blah, 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 is going to become yes, he, she did, or no, he, she didn't. And just like with all of our other questions, like with does, we already changed it here with the helping word, so we don't have to change our action. So we will never write did she used or did he took. It's already changed at the start, so don't change it here. Okay, extra info aside, let's begin. Did she use a computer? She has a pencil and paper, so no. No, comma, she didn't. Next one. Did he take a picture? He has a camera. There's a bird to take a picture of, so yes. Yes, comma, he, what's that word? Did. Remember the front always matches the back, and the subjects match each other too. Next one. Eat breakfast. Okay, so we'll start with did, because we're talking about the past tense here. She's a woman, so she. Did she eat breakfast? I don't think so. I don't see any food here. She has coffee, but it says eat. So let's say no. No, she didn't. Next one. Take a nap. And I think they're talking about this boy here. So we'll say he. Did he take a nap? He has a soccer ball and he's playing with his friends. So no, he didn't. No, he didn't. I just realized you guys can't see that. Let's fix that. Sorry about that. And let's move it up again for the last two. Okay. Watch TV. We'll say did. This is a girl, so she. Did she watch TV? Nope. This is a music player, so no, she didn't. She listened to music. Last one. And the answer is yes, she did. So we're going to say did first. Did she? Oh, and I don't know. This kind of looks like a cell phone. It kind of looks like a chocolate bar, and it kind of looks like a mirror. Let's pretend that it's a phone. So we can say, did she talk on the telephone? Yes, she did. And we are done. Pages 68 and 69. Good job.